Hey guys, in this video, we'll explain how you can add Apple Pay to your Shopify store, so let's jump into it. Adding Apple Pay to Shopify is super simple. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify login page. Sign in to your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, choose the Shopify store you want to work on. From your store's dashboard, click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner. Then, select the Payments tab from the left-hand side menu. If you haven't set up Shopify Payments yet, you'll need to do that first. Just click Complete Account Setup and fill in your business information, personal details, and banking info. Once that's done, hit Complete Account Setup. Once Shopify Payments is active, it will look like a dashboard of payment methods. To enable Apple Pay, click on the Manage link at the top of the Shopify Payments section. Scroll down and you'll find the Apple Pay option. Simply check or uncheck the box to activate or deactivate it. When you're done, click Save.